This is Maggie putting her head in pee. Where's the pee's coming from? Ah!
Okay.
Right there. She put her head in pee.
Is it over?
No, it's only 15 seconds. See? Started again.
Where's the first one?
I don't know.
Wow.
Ew, it's a hobo. What are you doing here, hobo?
Hitchhiking.
I'm sorry, but you're at a home. You can't hitchhike.
What if it's like it there? I want to go to Minnesota.
Do you drink beer?
I can't afford it.
Do you like pumpkin heads?
Only a little bit.
I can zoom in now. Ah. That's her leaving, people. Woo! Hey, Hobo, where are you going?
Try to hitchhike.
How can you hitchhike? There's absolutely no cars.
Yeah, that's why I'm still here.
Hey, would you like to buy a tow hair grower?
There we go.
Are you positive about that?
I'm Hope.
You are Hope?
Hope.
A Hoke?
Hope.
A Hope?
Hope.
You're a Pope?
No.
Are you? Demi Lovato.
No.
Are you? Britney Spears?
No again. But I wish.
Why? Why do you want to be Britney Spears?
She's radical.
Oh my God! Do you see how dark the sky is, people? The world is ending!
Never write a song. Or even sing.
Singing contest! You sing.
No.
Yes.
You let me speechless, so speechless.
That's a hobo voice. Speak normal.
No.
Horrible voices, of course, no talents. That's what you get for being a hobo. Nah, is right for you. Okay. I'm not going to sing. Curtsy. Do that again. Curtsy. What's a curtsy? Someone's car went out. Some car went like ding, ding, ding. Why are you a hobo? Did your wife kick you out?
I'm a girl. I'm not a lesbian.
Fine, be that way. Do you live on the streets?
What do you think?
You're living in my front yard.
I live in a banana.
This is not, one moment, this is not a banana.
No, it is. You're crazy.
You're crazy. Ew, don't do that, that's gross.
I am gross. JK.
I'm normal.
Well, not really. Only a teensy bit. But kind of. Really, I promise. Not really, but kind of. I'm a duck. Bark, bark.
A duck goes quack, quack.
Is there a difference?
Yes. Yes, yes.
I be supermodel.
That's not how a supermodel walks.
Tyra be proud of me.
Oh my God, someone's opening the door. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Okay, well, I will make another video later for you guys. Well, rate this a thumbs up, like it, and comment. And if you don't, no offense. No, seriously, she will come to your house and stalk you every day. I'm not lying. Bye!
Bye.